Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you what you could expect from LATAM's brand new Premium Economy Amenity Kits, which are quite collectible. Please follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So just notice that these new amenity kits from LATAM, pretty cool. So they've got 6 different amenity kits that you can collect here. Now the contents really haven't changed much, but it's kind of cool, little collectible thing. I'm thinking maybe these are only going to be premium economy. So if you want to pause the video and take a look at this card here. So you've got 6 different amenity kits, 6 different colors from 6 different regions within South America here. And the theme seems to be high elevation regions, which is pretty cool. We'll be visiting the Atacama Desert in Chile early next year. So excited to see that for some stargazing. So inside the amenity kit, you've got earplugs, the now famous bamboo toothbrush, which you see in many amenity kits these days. Got the eye mask, small toothpaste, good for maybe 2-3 uses, and some socks. So again, the contents of the amenity kit haven't changed much, but they've added a spin with the cool collectible feature of 6 different amenity kits. So I was able to get 2 of them this time around. So as always, I appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.